In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to animate zoom pigmentation effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's dive into the timeline. Here is the normal footage. Duplicate the layer, then select top of the layer and go to the effect control panel. Then increase the scale value. Turn on stopwatch icon and go forward to end of the video. Then decrease the scale value on 115%. Again, duplicate the layer, press Alt and move it. Then disable the top of the layer, then select middle layer and go to the opacity option and select rectangle mask option. Then choose your location where you zoom it. Then decrease the feather value. Then disable the middle layer and enable the top of the layer. Again select rectangle mask and choose your location. Decrease the opacity value. Now enable the middle layer. Then move the layer 5 times forward, one by one. Now if we play the video, you will see the entire effect. To interesting editing related video like this, subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon so that our next video reach out.